Hi and welcome to the new video from Convoy Cars. Proudly presenting this gem of a car today. This is a 2010 Volkswagen Passat 1.8 TSI manual transmission Highline sedan with sunroof, 8 airbags, ABS, alloy wheels, dual zone automatic climate control, push button start, cruise control, electric sunroof, electric seats, factory fitted leather seats with memory settings, whatnot, front and rear armrest, rear passenger blowers. Hell, lots of features in this car. Comes with HID xenon headlamps, daytime running LED lights, fog lamps, turn lights, smart turn lights. There are lots of features that you get in this car. This is a beautiful black color 175 bhp beast, and it's absolutely silent. I will be showing you a surprise a few minutes later. And right now we are taking an exterior walk around of the car. So I see there's a minor damage on the rear bumper. If you see, the silver chrome strip, the garnish strip is broken, so there's a piece of it which is missing, and I have kept it as it is. I did not bother to buy that because that's really not making much of a difference. Otherwise there are no scratches, no dents. Okay, there's one more fiber strip on the driver side door which is broken. I have already ordered that, so I will change that and give you. This broken piece will be fixed. There are no dents, no scratches. Beautiful black color luxury sedan. This is a lethal combination of power and luxury. So to be very honest, the Skoda Octavia VRS and the Skoda Laura TSI, the most famous powerful sedans that enthusiasts talk about, is something this car drives on the same engine with a hell lot of more features than all the two other vehicles. So this gets factory fitted leather seats, this gets electric seats, this gets electric sunroof, this gets cruise control, dual zone automatic climate control. These are the features you will not get in the Laura TSI, neither in the Octavia VRS. Not the new one, but the old one I'm talking about. The new one will come with almost all these features, in fact a little more than these. So this is something that comes into the similar price band. Around 3.5 lakhs is what we've quoted for this car, 3,55,000 to be precise. Look at the front fascia, it really looks majestic, royal, luxury sedan, classy. And now comes the time when I was supposed to show you the surprise. So the surprise happens to be that the car is so silent. While I was shooting the entire exterior, the car was on. There was no sound at all. In fact, I'm now taking you inside the cabin. You still can't say that the car is on. You can only tell it when you look at the RPM, which is on 900 right now. There's no vibration, no sound, absolutely silent. A proper premium luxury sedan, I would call it. So it gets all black interiors. I'll show you the door trim. This comes with leather finish and black fiber on it. Chrome finish, powder coated matte finish door handle. There's a lock unlock button next to the door handle. Then there are 4 power window switches and the electric mirror adjustment switch. Closing the door, and as you can see, if you compare it to any of my other video, I've just turned on the AC and you can hear the noise that is from the blowers. Other than that, there is no noise in the car. You won't know if the car's engine is on or off unless you see the RPM. The car is in 47,000 kilometers and it is second owner on RC, but it is a corporate to individual transfer, so single hand driven. This, my friend, is the roof lining, which is all original, not replaced yet. There are minor stains here and there. We've tried to clean it, but some stains are not possible to be cleaned. This is the electric sunroof. So that's how you put it up, and this is how you open it. It goes completely behind when you keep it pressed, long press, और ये पूरा खुल जाएगा. Now I'm turning it off, closing the sunroof now. So there's no noise, no hassles. There's no repair required to the sunroof. Absolutely perfect working sunroof it is. So I've opened it and closed it twice. I've also tried keeping it half open. All the functions on the sunroof are working absolutely fine. These are these vanity mirrors with lights, which are working absolutely fine. This is the cruise control button, so you operate the cruise control from here. This is the upper dipper and turn light switch. This is for the wipers. This is the automatic headlamp switch, and that's the parking brake. It gets an electric parking brake. This is the automatic climate control. I prefer keeping it on auto mode always, so I've kept it on auto. You can also set the temperature by the two rollers here. You also get heated and cold seats here, so you can heat or cool the seat as per your choice. So the passenger side button is this for heating and cooling the seats, and for the driver side this is the button to heat and cool the seats. This is the touchscreen infotainment system. It says welcome to Volkswagen. This is radio, there's phone, so you have Bluetooth, you have steering mounted audio controls and phone controls as well. You also get a media slot here. This is the CD slot. You can see the rear seats, all black leather seats from factory. These are not seat covers, these are genuine leather seats, and there's no damage at all to the seats. Absolutely intact leather seats in good condition, very good condition I would say. This is the gear knob. It's a 6-speed manual transmission and drives like a jet. I just feel that I'm about to fly when I drive it. So I'm just taking you out for a spin now. I've just started taking the car back on the road. Let the big daddy go first. I've put it in reverse so it gets optical parking system as well, whereas you get to know if there's something behind. See, the moment I go close to the footpath, this is what I see here, and there's a buzzer as well. It starts beeping, so I know that I should not go behind further. Just look at the meter. The second gear, I am already on 60. It's that quick. Something I really love driving is this. Really fast, very silent, extremely comfortable, looks grand, yet not delicate. So the suspension quality of the car I would rate is about 75% out of 100. I would not call it a very perfect suspension. There's minor bushing sound that I get sometimes here and there, not always. So the suspension is 75%. The tires of the car were good. Tires were almost 75 to 80%. And the drive quality of the car is just next level. It's class apart. It's absolutely fault free, absolutely fabulous to drive. There's one malfunction that I saw here on the dial, which is the traction control light, but that is because of the ABS sensor, which I'll change. Hardly costs about 1800 2000 rupees, and that'll be gone, so that's nothing to worry about. The car is driving absolutely brilliant. It's a turbocharged 1.8 petrol engine. I'm absolutely comfortable into this cabin. It's really swift. It's quick and silent. I mean, you just press the throttle and you realize that this throttle is an unending throttle. The more you press it, the further the car starts running. It's fast. It's really fast and very stable. I mean, even these paint patches can be felt, so it's that grounded and stable and really silent. Hell lot of features, great condition of the car, excellent tires, good suspension, absolutely brilliant fault-free engine and transmission, absolutely brilliant interiors. The car comes to you for just 3,55,000, slightly negotiable, not much. You can see it in Nerul, New Bombay, Sector 19, plot number 37, Kanheri CHS. Feel free to reach me on 9768 001 006. You can also WhatsApp me on the same number. Thanks for watching this. Bye for now.